today what we're doing is we're gonna answer some questions that you guys had from video number 3. I mentioned in my previous video that you could essentially set aside your half of the community estate and lock it so that your now widower husband doesn't have control over it if certain circumstances happen. So what I want to clarify is that you do have control of how and who manages your half of the estate. For example, it's what we call power of appointment. You determine who gets control of your half of the estate for the benefit of your children. It's what, as one of my clients referred to it, that bitch don't get nothing trust, right? So when you die, your husband can, if you want him to, retain control of your half of the estate if they follow the parameters that you set. You can set the parameters under which the living spouse will continue control. You can say he can continue control as long as he's using it for the benefit of the kids. You can say he can continue control as long as he uses it for the benefit of the kids and he doesn't remarry. Or you can say he retains control if he's using it for the benefit of the kids. But if he gets married, then you can require there to be a premarital agreement to be signed before he can keep control. Or if you just automatically want to have someone else that controls your half of the community estate when you pass away, you can also do that from the get-go. You can say in your trust that when you pass away, your half of the community automatically gets locked into the irrevocable portion of your trust for the benefit of your children, and someone else completely will have control of that part of the estate for your children. So I just wanted to answer those quick questions for people who had questions about the sub-trust and, doing this type of structure in your trust. Until next time, and remember, don't die until you call me about setting up your estate plan. I am Viviana Oropesa, and I am your attorney in heels.